How to verify ID on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on Coinbase. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, if you simply open up Coinbase application and you log into your account or sign into your account, then if your account isn't verified, if your ID isn't verified, then you should get this pop-up directly. So once here, you can see what you'll have or what you'll need to require in order to verify your ID. First, you'll have to prepare your document. Make sure that your ID is valid and doesn't expire within the next 3 months. To verify quicker, choose a document that clearly shows your address. Then you want to check your environment. Make sure that you are in a well-lit environment and your internet connection is stable, because you'll need to submit your ID. Then make sure your details are visible. Your first name, last name, birth date and address will be clearly visible. Then you want to upload a document in English. Since they can only accept documents that are in English, you'll have to make sure that the document that you are going to submit is in English, and then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it'll ask you to select a particular ID type. In my case here, it says only driver's license. So you want to select it and then choose in the picture and go through the verification prompts where it'll ask you to verify your ID, submit your ID and verify yourself as well. So once you go through the process, and if the documents are verified, your ID will be verified or your account will be verified. So this way you can verify your ID on Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.